Thank you, YouTube. Thank you. It's finally back. Just a second. Just a second. Coffee break. Finally, proper one. Nice. Ooh, eh, there we go. We're gonna start in like 2 minutes or so. I'm just gonna wait for the viewers to accumulate, even though they don't have a lot of viewers. I'm gonna start in those 2 minutes. Yay! The stream was broken. Was I don't know why YouTube. I don't know. Shenanigans. And yes, it is raining right now. Like yeah, there's a storm apparently. But I just left the country. There's still some leftover rain clouds, I guess. And I have made another cup of coffee because I don't know. I'm bored. I'm bored. Very much bored. Yeah. I am bored. And let's start. So anyways, yay! Whoops. Yay! So yeah, let's start. So, ooh, that's gonna be loud. I saw thunder. I felt that in my chest. Damn. Ooh. Anyways, just stop playing with that. Where can we put it go? So we're gonna go here. Oh, what's wrong with this one? Model that age. But this one, go down here. Add a new method name. Force box method turn collections into generations. New method step eater. I don't really like that because that's with the method table, by the way. Ooh. And most of this is not even used, so that's a problem. Or should I just update the built-in iteration? Fine. Wait, automatic. I thought this would be like, oh, and yo, Yazanchi, welcome back. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I felt familiarity with your name, so yeah, you're definitely one of my viewers. So yeah, there's a not really a storm, but it's raining right here in the Philippines. Thanks. So yeah, my channel has not been as um successful as back then. It's fine. I stream for fun, not the views. So anyways, yeah. Updates is we change the functions. I mean the threads. Examples. It's not really. There's I don't really. I haven't updated this example yet, but I did update the one here. So right now, threads are finally. Oh, oh, the YouTube Shorts thing. Yeah, it works in my phone. That's the second proudest thing that I have. Ooh, that's a very loud thunder. Anyways, yeah, it works on the phone. Yay! It works on the phone, which is a great thing for a programming language. Works on the laptop, phone, so across architectures, it works the same way, which is good. So now, what we're gonna do is update the iteration thing, and I am contemplating. Thanks. I'm contemplating whether to add like the step iteration, like there's some counter instead of like creating a list. Because right now, for example, I have an example here. Is it? Oh yeah, it's different. It's in a different file. It's in. Yeah, it creates a list of values with null being the last item, which is how for each works. Whoops. For each works in MiLa. It's fast. Yes, you can argue about that. But memory wise, it's very intensive. Like yeah, here it is. It just does that. It's much more easier in the runtime and in the other side because it just constructs list. Problem is, yeah, it's not a good thing to do because memory wise, we're wasting memory. We're duplicating, like we're creating an array. So if this is like 100 items, that's already 800 bytes gone. Why 800 bytes? Pointer, well, in Linux, it's 8 bytes, so multiply that by 100 for each value pointer, and it's now 800 bytes wasted just to iterate a 100 item list, a long list. So yeah, it's very bad. Although, oh, why didn't I think of that? Oh, okay, that's very good for traversing that because the linked list is already now terminated, so we can use next. Then we can go actually no linked list ourselves. Actually, instead of that, where do we ll node? Instead of that, we go ll node star node. Go here, and then we just go node. We change this so it becomes a star node. So basically, what go is node is star is equal to node next return current no next node current That's the problem. So I guess we do need a state. Yeah, we do need a state in the end. LL inner state. So basically we have the list. Actually we can just go LL node. Nodes are currents. And then the currents we use size T. What features do you best is what showing the game without a GPU library and I want so it's so easy. Let's see. What research do you mean? Oh yeah, I also I saw that video. The game thing. I watched that thing. So yeah, it's not really a good advice to copy whatever Choding does because even for me, that's ahead of me. Like it's complex for me. But if you think you can do it, sure, do it. If you have enough time. So yeah, just do it. So that's instead. So we can change that without yeah, we can make the currents. Current, so that's now nodes value. And then what we can do now is state current. We do that. We set it to the next one. So this should continue going until it dies. So yeah, we do -1, so it doesn't. We don't really have this yet. Do we really need this and this? We don't even support it. I don't think we do. Oh, it is. I think it. Why is it cutting out though? Let me get my phone. Why though? Why? Maybe my network stability, or is it cutting because of this? Might be the thunder that's happening. I see. That's why no one wants. I see. Hang on for a second. Yeah, it's a problem. Just a sec. is happening. What? So there it is. So why is it cutting off though? Let me get my phone again. It's cutting off for some reason. It's fixed. Weird. Yep. Hmm. Why is it not working? It's weird. Just seconds. Mic test. Mic. Mic. Mic test. What the hell is wrong with them? What? Just wait. I am using because I do not dabble with the audio drivers. I just have to migrate. Hmm. I do use Pipewire because without Pipewire, I can't use OBS. This this is Pipewire. Oh no, what? Wait, no. Oh, I'm using a plugin. That's how I can convert it out, but I'm not using Pipewire. That's weird, but I know I installed Pipewire. I did. Did I? I forgot. Forgot. But then again, just a command. Was it QS? It is not installed. That's why. Wait, no, it is local. It is installed. Look, Pipewire. Why? So why is it not? Wrong. Eh? What? Eh? Seriously? There we go. What? What? Am I going crazy? Huh? Huh? System here is huh? Huh? Eh? 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 Is it the dash restart? Son, son, how, 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 how? Eh, Yeah, I think I need to restart the stream to fix this. Yes. Finally. What? Eh, eh, I don't. What? I'm not seeing pipe wire and pulse audio. What? All I'm seeing is up. What? Yeah, I think I need to. Uh, yes, it should be fast, no problem. Let me just update the stuff I have on my laptop. Yeah, this is why Arch is like, it's overrated. If you're not constantly tampering with your device, it's just as good as other distros. True. That's yeah, that is super true. What you said should be displayed somewhere in some museum. Pipe wire, wire plumber. What? So it's installed. So it is installed. Ah. I can't just install it. I have to end the stream to fix the shenanigans. I can't. If I don't even know if you. Yeah, sure. Let's see. System CTL dash dash enable. CTL enable dash dash now. Pipe wire wire plumber. Oops. Let me stop there. I wanna punch the laptop right now. I used actually install set up wire, pipe wire, not also though, pipe wire, and it doesn't exist. But I can't even uninstall it. But I it exists. There it is. Stuff. Why doesn't pipe wire work? Why? Stuff. I have to fix this. Like what? Okay. Now it did work. Wrong. Yeah, harness, pipe wire, hammer. Ito. Oh, does it only work with this command? No, it doesn't work. uh, Funniest part is I was streaming completely fine before this. I think. Why doesn't it work no more? Du bist ein Stock Scheiße. Meine Laptop. Du bist ein Stock Scheiße. Actually, I'm sehr groß. Stock Scheiße. There we go. Why won't it work? I don't know why. I have to. I have. It works. Secret S dash K. Oh. What? Oh, dash. So that means I have some audio driver. I have some audio driver that doesn't want to expose itself. It's hiding somewhere. How do you... How do you do... My conflicts are good. It's broken. It's just broken. Do I have to reinstall my... It's always... Alright. Let's see if it does. Okay, there we go. Let's see. So we have also there, hearing stuff. Okay. Can I search? Okay. Yeah. Let's manage to check it though. Just in case. Just in case. Just in case. Yeah, it's not loaded. It's not. It's not. Hmm. Let's see if this allows me to finally uninstall. Oh yeah, I still have that. Just a second. Yeah, I am going to so I am going to install my Arch. I swear. By the next stream, you're gonna see a new desktop. ACTL. Yeah. Um. List. List. Yeah. Yeah, it's here. All of it's detecting the devices. So it's not the device that's the problem. The problem is the driver. It's the audio driver. It's either audio driver or OBS. Yeah. Oh yeah. Place. Yeah. Info. All of the things should. Yep. There it is. So we have that, and it does. I hate. I hate my laptop. Oh my god. Yep. I know. Just I'm going to get the USB of my Arch software. USB. Just hang tight for a second. I am going to install Linux. Just a second. Where is the USB? Oh, now I'm using the USB. Oh, great. I have a USB is missing. the just a second. Remove. Does this click or no? Is this clicking or not? Let me check on my other. What? Oh, I don't know my. Like, does that still do the cuts? Let me just. It's fixed. It's fixed. Mic test. Mic test. Wait, what? What happened? Whoa. What? Oh, it's full. What happened? What? What? Eh? Oh. Okay. What? Eh? Well, I'm still downloading this. So, mic test. So that doesn't clickety clack. What? No. Oh. What did I remove? So you're telling me it's fixed? Oh, it's OBS. So the default OBS audio input is alright. But when I tried to like, so the wait, just a second. Okay, so this, now you're hearing the clicking must be. So that source earlier was the problem. This also, we can't mute it now because that doesn't exist. The global thing. I hate this laptop so much. Okay, so that's why. And yes, yeah, updating my programming language. Yeah, updating my programming language. Where was I? So, because the old logic for iteration is like creating an array, which is very memory intensive but very easy to implement in terms of actually iterating the thing. Memory is like the object basically gets shallow copied. So right now we're like gonna implement this thing. Jeez, the rain. Can you even hear me over the rain? What? Oh, whoops. There. I must have pressed. Yeah, forgot. Whoops. So yeah, my programming language. We need to like implement this. Oh. This doesn't work. I'm not. No. Yeah. Where was I? Yeah. Updating that. So now we can go here. Pa, 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 pa. Uh, and finally update the actual logic. The only problem is, this. Oh, NeoVim? Oh, in my old like installation of the previous installation of my of this laptop, the, the original version of Arch Linux that I used to stream with actually had NeoVim in it, and I even wrote like syntax files for my programming language for it. Yeah. So just a second. I think I posted something in like Facebook. Just a second. I don't think that it was just a second. I posted something in it in an Arch Linux. I am in this group, right? And this is where I did post this, right? Oh yeah, here it is. Still pending approval. So let me show it to you. So you should be able to see this. So yeah, this is the story. I think let me just, I think I did. Just a second. My channel, community. So now that should be there again. Oh, I don't have it here. So let me just Boop. There you go. And then just paste it in here. And then voila. Post. So yeah, that's the story of how my laptop got nuked. I was an idiot. And I did not, like, I was modifying. Yeah. So yeah, I changed because I didn't change. Actually, I'm much more accustomed to Solentech. So even back then, this was my go-to um editor because, well, it's simple and I can write what's the word, syntax files for it, which I have here. So yeah, I can just use regex. Well, I know Vim can also have syntax files. Actually, one of the syntax, yeah, it's in here, my Vim. So this is the syntax files for Vim. It's very simple and it has simple logic for like indentation. And yeah, I can use Vim. I even made my own version of Vim at some point. I call it VMM, Viminim. It sounds Russian for some reason. I think I can pull it right now. Git clone, not pull. GitHub.com, and then my very long name because I didn't know any better. VMM. So, Viminim. So yeah, Viminim. Oh, I did not clean up the... Yeah, so, yeah, I made my own... Ooh. Oh, yeah, it's using old MiLa. Should now pull the reset... Oh. Where? Wait, what? Eh? Stircom. What? Eh? String.h. Huh? Eh? Oh! Yeah, there's some stuff that I have to fix now because yay. Yay! More work for myself. Oh right. Oh right. Thank you. Yeah. I lost focus. Yeah. Whew, I need to be more coherent on stuff. I forgot that focus. Focus. Okay. Now, where was I? Implementing the thing. Jesus. So we're implementing the updated iteration syntax, which is here as described here. So we're just gonna do that, and then so right here we're gonna yeah. Oh my goodness, I need to talk much more coherently. So we check here for the traditional iteration method, and then okay, so we just wait for that. I see. So now we just need to branch here. But the problem is we can't really we need to put this entire body into that. Bam. Where's the okay, so that okay, gotcha. Oh, there we go. So that now is the loop body. We're just gonna let the compiler optimize that for that's why half of the code base is a mess. More than half is a mess. I would not wish anyone to. Oh hell no! I think I have a stream on my channel where I tried to implement a linked list in Rust. Well, I have some knowledge of Rust because I watched Choding write his. If you know who Choding is, I watched his stream of writing that B compiler in Rust. Well, not Rust, in Crust. So yeah, I'm never using Rust again after that experience. True, yeah, you have to learn Rust if you want to get a job, or just learn JavaScript. Just learn JavaScript. JavaScript is everywhere now thanks to Node, or just yeah, it's cursed, but yeah. I think I know someone who made a C compiler in JavaScript that compiles C code into like Wasm. That's who's I swear if that if someone turns that into a node package, I swear. Yes. Yes. Yes, you're right. Yes, that's someone who I want to be with. Someone who would actually prefer assembly than JavaScript. JavaScript's a mess. My programming language is a mess too, but it's standardized, not like Java where you can write banana using nan and strings without actually writing nan in there. How? What? This in JavaScript turns to not nan. Why? Why does that turn into nan? Why? True. I'm not writing too I'm writing decent code enough for it to not break half the time. Well, if it does break, I'm gonna make sure that it breaks the same way every time I do the breaking thing. So anyways, now here we go, new method to step iter, or to step step. Oh, I don't have that yet in my H. Let me just do that. So yeah, new method to step iter. I'm actually gonna add a new one, step iter in it. So initializes state for iterator. Yeah, that's true. I forgot what pipe does. Let me just what does pipe does? And and uses pipes rather than temporary files for communication between. Oh, that should actually like that should speed up the compilation process. I see. That's cool to know. And who cares? It's a small project. You can see the entire project that's the entire project. Yeah, I see. Yeah, there's a lot of like random C flags. Yeah, if you look at the arm, step up update. So no, actually no. Oh, it didn't. No, this should just return. Oh, okay. Okay, fine. So like, where was I? I forgot. How did I forget? Oh, the arm, the flags for the arm architecture. It's something. Yeah, it's weird. You have to I think divisions back then were like what, software implemented instead of hardware. Not to mention that it has like what 30 plus registers. Yeah, that's true. It has 30 plus registers. 0 to x 0 to 7 I think is the general registers. The rest is like library. I don't know, it's used by stuff. Register 30 I think is used for what was it called, interrupts. It's weird. Yeah, that's true. Yep. Yes. We need to return to 8086. Yes. Speaking of 86, I have an 86 background if you watch anime. If you watch anime, yeah. So this means in it we need to do this as a void star. We're gonna call it ether state. Oh, sad. It's fine. So now we just go here. Ether state. So we free the ID. Iterable initialization. Initialization returned null. C. No, we need to differentiate that. So now we go here. That. Oh, we need to actually get the Well, that just proves that you should just use C if your language transpiles into C. Because yeah, no, I'm not saying use C because it's the best. It's certainly not the best because of the memory leaks that you can accidentally make. But it's no excuse to write some much more complicated language on top of C. I mean, yeah. Well, according to the definition of being a safe language, being memory safe, Python is a safe language. So should I use Python instead? Because technically Python is safe. As well as Lua and every interpreted language out there, including JavaScript. Right? Well, I'm not gonna argue of what's the best language because, well, there's no best language for everything. Every language has its opinionated features, like exclusive versus inclusive. Yeah, there's no best language. There is a best language if you put it in a certain category. Best general purpose language? It's I don't know, because it's a broad, it's a broad, what is it, classification. But if you say best, systems development language, now that's where C comes in. It's either C, C++. That's it. Those are the two best languages. That's I think I can yeah. Rust, no, don't, no Rust. We're not crustaceans here. So Rustaceans, not crustaceans. Yeah. So C++ is probably one of the best general purpose languages, because, well, it has everything in it, from borrow semantics, move semantics. It's an amalgamation of multiple languages into one. Yes. I remember trying to write a free floating binary in Rust, and then quickly realizing why no one writes low level tools, low level stuff in Rust. You have to use a specific edition of Rust. You have to not use the standard library, or otherwise you need to use unsafe everywhere. Also, that you need to use unsafe everywhere. It just doesn't let you touch raw memory. Why? Why is it just not a flag? True. Yeah, the reason why Rust uses crates is it because it cannot just accept libraries. It just can't. It just can't do that, because it will assume that the shared library is safe when it's not safe. It's weird. Very weird. It's weird. It's messed up. Yeah, C is one of the best languages because it's not just low level. It teaches you how to think as the machine. Like, when I'm writing C, I can tell you what the assembly will be. This will be a compare instruction. This will get reduced into a a bitwise not in assembly. This is a branch statement. This is also technically it's not a branch. It's a return statement, as well as the epilogue. Was it epilogue or prologue? Epilogue of the function. It's easy to yeah, I can understand what might happen here. In some architectures would literally just become an increment I. That's how easy it is in C. Now this value I, we know that this is just index I. We don't care its size. We don't even know its size. We don't even know its type in runtime. We only figure that out in compile time. And because of C rules, you can technically do this, which is weird why you would do that. But yeah, that's indexing. In Rust, you call the overloading. You call the overloading. You check if you indexing the right thing. Yeah, the libraries are indeed very scattered. There's not really a standard library of C. Even the GNU library for C, the glibc, is optional. You can use a different implementation. I think I don't have Muscle installed, but yeah, you can use that as well in place for glibc. It's weird, but there's one misconception about C. Just because the language is unsafe means you will always write unsafe code. You just need to be very disciplined. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, true. Rust depends on the C library that it's trying to avoid. That's why, yeah, Rust will never escape the C language or the C standard, because everything knows how to talk in C. if you try to change that, you're gonna get isolated. And once you're isolated, no one will use your language. That's just how it is. That's just how it is in that's how it is in the real world. Yeah, there is a difference of unsafe C. Yeah, and unsafe memory save. Yeah, and yeah, CPUs are better at C than high level. Yeah, yeah. Or it's just C hiding behind the curtains. Like I told you, Rust depends on the C library, glibc. So in the end, it's just a curtain. And the thing that annoys me with Rust is the compiler is also a linter. And instead of like warning you that you should name this variable, it would straight up not compile. Imagine getting a compiler error because you named your struct like test underscore person instead of test person. That's one of my that's one of the things that I hate about Rust. It forces you to write stupid things to appease, I don't know, some standards that not everyone needs. It pisses me off so much. It just pisses me off so much. Oh, now that icks me. I used to love VLang because it had auto free. Wait, are we thinking about the VLang? Like the V, like that singular letter language. Yeah, I saw that. I fell in love with it. I haven't programmed in it yet. But learning about this, hell no. Why does everyone? I mean, not everyone, but why are some new languages? Why are some new languages forcing people to write in a specific way? Why? Why? Just why? That's just idiotic. Because why? 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 Ah, I guess. Yeah. That's one of my um one of my turn-offs for why did I call it a turn-off? But yeah, I hate languages who try to like force a naming standard on you. Because why? Why? Like, I get it sometimes, but why? I sure hope so. I sure hope so. Yeah, it has some stuff. Let me see what name is like. It's just similar to Python. What the hell is this? That's... What? You can edit the AST in runtime? What? So it's Lisp, basically. It's basically Lisp. Why? Oh. Why? Why would you do that? Oh, now that's convenient. If it uses... Wait. If it uses automatic reference counting, then that means that it also has boxes like in Rust because of circular references. Does it or does it not? Ah, okay. Now that's annoying. I don't want like my programming language. I'm not gonna lie, is dumb in terms of like it's dumb in terms of what was the term, memory management. It's dumb. It's very dumb. I'm not gonna like address it as like what best, because it just uses reference counting, but it's deterministic. No. The reason why I hate nim because of the AST thing but not Lisp is because in Lisp it doesn't look like new syntax. It's just a list in a specific order. Nim, on the other hand, with that syntax, how can you make it like how can you make it uniform? Why? Why? Like what? Because once you have this kind of syntax and then you can add on it, how can you standardize that? In Lisp, it's simple because it's literally just parentheses and whatever inside. There you go. What's with languages nowadays using proc as a keyword? It's not special. It's not special. Why does every language nowadays obsess over using proc as a keyword? No, this. Why? It's why? Like, just call it a function. If you're gonna be like philosophical, why? It's fun, right? Was it fun? Oh, funk. Well, my language chooses FN. Where is it? So we use FN for like functions. I didn't want to go to the Python route and use def because I'm not defining anything in general. Def would mean that you're defining something, not just a function. You can define other stuff, which is weird. So I used FN. Yes. One of the valid keywords that I accept is FN. Yeah. What language was it again? I swear I saw some language that goes fun. Yeah. I don't know what's wrong with those kind of people. Oh yeah, my programming language has like first class support for, well, not first class, but yeah, it has an easy API for threading and stuff. So that's one of the best what was the word? Best features of my language. And threads don't share in anything from. Oh, there we go. Kotlin. I think I saw that because I was experimenting with Kotlin on my phone. Yeah, I never got past the main function. I never got past the main function. So we have init. So now we also need to check for that. Eto. Bam. ML. Oh yeah, null pointer exception. Is this C sharp? Hello? C sharp? I'm C sharp. What? C sharp. What? Why is it? Step 8 are clean. Yeah, we do. Oh, whoops. It's just JavaScript made by Microsoft idiots. It's just not JavaScript, Java. Whoops, confused the two. Java is just C sharp is just Java from my born from Microsoft's malicious bullshit. Yeah. I'm not gonna be surprised if every C sharp application has a backdoor for it. I'm not. I hate C sharp. I remember like trying to develop in C sharp, and then the website for C sharp just keeps pushing VS Code into my face. Yes! Why would I need gigabytes worth of frameworks just to make it run? Why? Why? Python is Python can fit there multiple times. Why would you need gigabytes worth of of stuff? Microsoft just loves bloat, okay? And I bet that if I go to .NET, if I go to .NET and like ooh, this. We don't have I now. So, yeah, I swear there's probably just a folder with XML configs. That's all you're gonna see inside. That's all you're gonna see inside .NET. Yeah, it's just. Oh wait, did I edit the wrong one? Oh no, we didn't. Where's the error? Oh, there's a singular line with an error. Oh, V. Definition of V. Eh? Oh, this is the iter object, isn't it? Wait, what? No, that's the iter object. What? Oh shit. What? I'm confused. Hold on a second. I'd love to see that. I would love to see that. What happened? I don't. Just a second. I think I forgot to do something. So there you go. That's the yield. And then in here, this is where V is. Valkill V. So we can just name anything here in V and we should be okay. Value is there. It's not defined in here. Actually, there it is. Found it. So we can just name V here as anything up to that kill one. Oh, whoops. We need to manually name it, I guess. Rename that. Iter instance. That should stop the name collision and we should be able to compile. There we go. Oh yeah, I also got stuck on Python for like 6 years. I only started programming in C like in December of 2025. But I had some experience in writing C before, just not as complex as this. I always ended up like vibe coding, but now I'm pretty much able to write entire programs just by myself, which is good. So my takeaway, by the way, my takeaway of vibe coding is, if you don't know what the clanker is giving you, stop vibe coding. Stop vibe coding. Close the tab, read the manual or read the documentation, write by yourself. If you cannot understand the code, you mustn't vibe code. You should just not vibe code. Yeah, that's true. I basically learned C top down instead of top up. Instead of starting with the code, I started with the concepts first. So when I started writing C, I had some idea and I was able to build momentum. So yeah, and I just watched Indian dudes teach programming. Like, so I watched so much. I watched so many tutorial videos that I can do an Indian accent. So for today we'll be updating MiLa. We'll be updating MiLa. I'll be updating MiLa to actually do step iteration rather than copy and make an array and copy the items over. Oh my goodness, I am gonna. Well, it's not racist because I'm not hating on anyone, so I shouldn't die. Yes, shooting. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. I also know shooting. New methods. Yes, to be choding is our gyms. Absolutely choding. Choding. Oh, no. I whoops. Methods, step, iter, init, ll, init, ll, iter, init. I really need to standardize the naming of some stuff. Iter, step. One of the most hardest things to do in programming is name stuff. Name stuff. Wow, it's scheiße. There we go. Will it work or will it not? So first of all, we can't use this anymore. So it falls into the actual new iteration logic. Clear. Turn off. Let's see. Okay, so that still works. There's no memory leaks as well. Thank you, Ason, for telling us that. Now we need the strings. I mean, the lists. Okay. We're almost there. It did print stuff, but... Oh, it didn't print the items at all. So it's a heap use after free. I think it's because I did not know. Oh, I have to retain the stuff, do I? After that should work. No, it does not work. Where is it? In 6429. Here. So Heap use after free. Where is it? Oh. Is it this? Iter state, iter object. You can't. Is it iter next? Or is it because it's null? We should check if it's null. Wait, no, this won't reference anything if it's null. So even if this is null, oh, yeah, this. If not state current, return immediately. We return null. It's still in somewhere, so it 164. This itself is, oh. So we're seg-faulting in 165. What? This would have to be null for this to. The state itself isn't null. We did init it, and we return the state. Oh. I did. How did I not notice that? So we do give it the inter object. So we need to actually do that. So how did I not notice that? That was weird. Me? No, I just didn't initialize. Yeah, I did not initialize anything here. So when it tries to do anything in state, it ends up dereferencing unknown values. We didn't set this either, so the old values in the memory that malloc gives us. I should have used MiLa malloc. MiLa malloc by default. MiLa malloc by default like mem sets it. So if we were to not we're not to do anything, it would dereference null. Everything would be null here. So yeah. Now we can go here. LL nodes state current is equal to value LL linked wait, no, whoops, linked list star get opaque self, and then we're gonna go node. Was it node? Where is the head? That should not do. Chotomate. Oops. Where is it? Okay, there it is. We basically do this. Right? Ooh. Oh, we're getting there. We do retain it, so that should not be the problem. The problem is, I think it's because we did the value. No, we don't. No. So where is value from? Is it this that's happening? Ooh. Okay. We're leaking memory instead. That's good. So it's the list that's leaking. It's the list that's leaking. What? No, it's gonna be free after you. Okay, so we need to remove that now. So it's the list. So we should see. Okay. File new. Okay. We should actually be able to like skip this. Ooh. 7 allocations. Oh, what? Where did? Oh, okay. And if we go val retain, it's 10 allocate. Okay, so it does leak memory if we do that. So it's still leaking memory after that. So we don't leak the integers actually. That's good. MiLa third loop extra. So this is the list. It's the list. So let's. Okay, so it's the list that's leaking. So we do need, oh, okay. We just have to free the yeah, we just need to free it after we clean, after we iterate. Omar key? I'm not sure on Omar key. Let me search that out. Oh. Du- 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 du. Oh, it's oh yeah, it's Arch, but they coded by some dude. Did they like? Oh, I see. But is it like some safe vibe coded code? Like they read the code, or did they just copy and paste stuff? Because if that's what they did, I'm not downloading that. Where was I? So MiLa free. We don't. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Okay, but what if I break now? Just a second. I need to finish this before I. So yeah, I guess it depends for me. Does it leak the same way? Okay, so it does leak. Well, wait. Oh yeah, because we okay retain. Then we don't need to retain it now. Oops. Ah. Okay, so yeah, no, I am not using Omar key. What? Omar key? How do you even need it? Oh, welcome. Welcome to the stream. I did not notice. So yeah, this stream is actually quite long. It's like 1 hour now. What time is it? Oh, it's 9:32. Yeah. My Omar Chi or Omar Ki? Omar Chi. It's probably pronounced Omar Ki because. Oh wait, no, Omar Chi because it's Arch. But yeah, I will pronounce it Omar Ki just to piss off anyone who uses Omar Ki. Oh, it's actually Omar Chi because it's an Arch-based distribution. I don't care, Omar Ki. I'm gonna call it Omar Ki. Yeah, I'm sticking to Sway. I don't care. I don't care whatever window manager I use as long as it's working. I will switch to Temple OS if I need to. if I need to, I will switch to Temple OS because yeah. Oh, you shouldn't be here. I don't even have Python in my tags. Oh, it's probably the development tag. So this isn't Python, it's C, and if you're a beginner, you should not be here. I'm not deterring you though. If you like to watch this, you can continue watching. But if you're planning to learn Python, you shouldn't be here. So yeah, for your information, I am programming my own programming language, creating my own programming language, and I am currently trying to fix a memory leaking allocations. So it's the list that's doing the random stuff. So I need to free the list, but after. So MiLa free iter objects, poop, then poop, pop. Thanks. Chill. Chill, dude. He's just a beginner. He doesn't know any better. That's very entertaining though. Oh, no, we don't free. Whoops. That's a mistake. That's not. That should not be free. That should be Val release. I did I did like try to make a programming language that compiles to ARM assembly. It was a headache. My own programming language. File release. Whoops. Typo. I am making my own programming language. Ooh, man. Use after free. Is it use after free? Did we do anything wrong? Let's see. Yeah, that's true. And oh, first iteration. Oh no, because we break out. Okay, that's cool. If we don't break out, it's leak. Okay, it leaks instead. Because we don't. Yeah, okay, so okay, that's wrong. That should be free. Whoops. Val release. As long as you actually read. As long as you actually read what the AI outputs, it's okay for me. Oh, now we do need to validate the okay, validating it. Where is it? Yeah, that's true. But if you just let it, whoops, if you just let it write code for you without understanding it, that's just vibe coding, but even more worse. It's worse. It's much more worse. It's it's just infinitely worse. Yeah, that's true. Thanks. Yes. So now we just need to clean. That should work. Ooh. What's the use after free though? Ah. Yeah, that's true. Okay, so let's see. So value of your okay, so it's somewhere in the list. Wait, chot tomate. We're just freeing the state. Why? What? Eh? Oh, I see. Whoops. That was idiotic of me. And voila. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's the most annoying part of people. Hey, look, your job is in danger because this computer can write code for me now. I don't need you no more. Like, yeah, that's true. It's okay if you understand how to code, not just know what it does. You understand it. You know the language itself, and you can write yourself. It's okay. Yeah, I recommend Claude though because it's much more logical. I don't like anything else from code. But the second best, I'd probably choose Gemini or ChatGPT. Claude is best because it doesn't randomly hallucinate as much as ChatGPT does. ChatGPT is, I swear, ChatGPT sometimes acts like someone who's drunk on steroids. It's weird. It's annoying. It's annoying. Oh, I think I have to go. Or I'm just gonna mute my I'm just gonna go mute my mic, and if I like stay in place for a long time, you will know it's probably because my grandparents are home. I'll be right back in a sec. So now it's finally done. This is now complete. Now what else should I do? It's a while loop now. This is the only condition that was added. This is still off one, so we don't need to really change it. It's good. It both works. There's no memory leaks. Thank you. So yeah, because of the new logic, lists are now of n to iterate over. Same for lists. Hold on, mispronounced this. Arrays are now of n, and lists are of. Yeah. Yeah, no, that works. So yep, no memory leaks. No. It's now. Let's try to iterate. So this should actually still work. It should print null, so 100 times. Yeah, that still works. Let's try to test the performance of my programming language. Oh yeah, I did not tell you, but yeah, it's a one pass interpreter. So what that means is whatever you see is also what the interpreter sees. There's no AST, no technically there are tokens, but there's no AST, no IR. If it sees something, it executes it as is. So if it sees var, then it knows that there must be a name after that, then an equal sign, then an expression. It's a weird language. Ooh. Oh. That took 1.3 seconds. That's a million iterations. That's a million iterations. It takes 1 second for a single. Yeah, 1.2 for a million iteration. This should actually for nothing though. So yeah, if we try to like calculate something, like let's say yeah, it takes a lot more longer because it yeah, but it takes what 4 times as long. I mean 2 times as long, 3 times. So yeah, I am gonna try and build like a version of MiLa that has at least 2 passes. So first pass is, yeah, optimizations really can't be done because it's the AST is this is the AST. This is all the interpreter touches of the code. There's no different representation. So in the future I will try and like pre-compile this into an AST and then apply some optimizations on it, then run it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you this. Oh, yeah, no, look, there's already. Oh yeah, that's a good point. I forgot that I had a sun on. So if we were to run now, it should actually take less. Yeah, I forgot that Asan debuffs the. Okay, that actually, wow, got surprised. Like, I got surprised. Look at that. It's actually quite fast. I don't know. I don't know. Might consider it. So what if we were to do nothing? Oh yeah, I have a Raylib bindings. What? 5 million. It completes 5 million iterations. Okay, to at least it's there. But if we like yeah, if we try to like print each item now plus space, so that should actually, oh whoops, whoa, oh yeah, because it's null. Yeah, I forgot. We should try range instead. We do have range. It took 6 seconds to print. What is it? What are you gonna say? Pop. Describe it then. Maybe I'll be able to do that. I mean, understand. Oh, oh yeah, that's true. I did like, yeah. Just a second though. I will show you the Raylib example first. There it is. Whoa. Okay, it used to be like, oh, because, oh, I see. Wait, no, it should actually be, oh yeah, it's slower because we have the old logic for iteration is at 19 FPS. But yeah, let's try your, oh whoops, there you go. And yeah, it's at it's 2 frames faster. It's still good though. Oh, it's reaching 16. Okay, that's good. That's good. So that's actually a very good benchmark, because look at this. Where is it? That's 10,000 balls drawn every frame. No, I did use Clang. Oh, no. Yeah, I used Clang. No, the make one is for the make one is for this. I already did. Did I run a file? Oh, it doesn't show it here. But yeah, I compiled it with Clang. Yeah. And then I went into like Raylib example, and then I ran that using make. So yeah. Yep. So it's also very small. Yeah, 236 kilobytes with all of the functions. Yeah, there's the range as opaque from opaque, some debug stuff, as well as text IO and logic operations. Should do this in bitwise, as well as files, as well as the types. Yeah, it even has its own JSON format that I call mJSON. What's graphite? What is graphite? Oh yeah, there's also make cc Clang smallest build. Let's see. List. There we go. And now it's 188 kilobytes. Look at how small that is. For GCC, it's pretty chunky. It's 248 kilobytes for the smallest bytes. For the smallest, and for the release build. Oh, I see. That's cool. But yeah, it can't really optimize much for this because it depends on the on dynamic values. Oh, I see. So for builds, oh, oops, I did that again. Oh, ouch. Oh, I see. So, oh, stop. There we go. So for the smallest build, it's 260 kilobytes. No, for normal. For normal. I'll just do that again because. Up. So now we go ls-lh MiLa. It's 260 kilobytes. And it has its own JSON parser, by the way. Well, it's not gonna be faster because it's just compiling this one file. It's just compiling that one file. I can show you the make file. So this is the default one. There's some other stuff that, yeah, it's weird, but I am gonna try. Oh, I have this. I forgot about this. So there's also, yeah, this is the release. That's it. It's one command. Make doesn't, it cannot optimize this. It can't optimize this away because that's it. And it doesn't build those individually. We just compile this one file. Yeah, there. So yeah, it's GCC's actual fault here. It's not my fault. But maybe, yeah, maybe that would work. Who knows? No, it does not work. Plus, it's -03, so that's why. Let's try -02. Maybe that would be better. It's a little bit faster, but now there's new errors. Oh, I forgot. GCC has some weird shenanigans when the optimization level changes. Thank you, GCC. Thank you. What is it again? Not compare. Oh, actually, not. Wait. How did I not get this before? This is like. So copy specified bounds depending on length. Length is size t. Okay. Oh, it just hates that because this is not constant. Yeah. No, I don't think -03 can. I mean, the optimization flags. There's no other compiler that has level higher than this, unless you have your own compiler. It would actually be helpful if GCC had well-defined optimization levels, and there's more than just 3 levels, so you can like optimize for a specific thing rather than a general range of things. That would be cool. Oh yeah, does exist? I think I know that -OS exists for the size. For fast though. Wait. Okay. Oh, it doesn't exist for the specific for this GCC version though. Does Clang have that though? Whoops. No. Wrong. I was gonna search. Oh, it's not here. Doesn't have Clang. Oh. Oh. Oh, I see. Let's try it. Okay, GCC accepted it. Oh. How much more? Okay, it's still slow. And we're not getting any seg faults. Oh, dash O fast. Eh. Use the most aggressive optimization level in the compiler collection, prices or execution speed of all else, even if it breaks strict standard. Okay. According to the GCC optimization documentation, that's all primary sets. Okay. Oh. 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 Okay, that's not cool. This card's not. Oh. Oh, actually, this one makes sense. This one makes sense. Okay. Who cares? This is valid. Oh, okay. Oh. Well, if you don't care about subnormals, this is cool. Oh. I think I might not. I might need to install, like, not sure. Graphite. F graphite. Whoops. And let's still go here. O3 now. Oh wait. Oh, whoops. Wrong make file. Oh, it does exist on my system. Okay. F loop nest optimize. We need to do that one. To dash grapha. Oh, whoops. Loop nest optimize. Let's see if it does. It barely changes. Well, yeah, it's because it depends heavily on the code that's actually running. On the code that's actually running. On the code that's actually running. So if this was all in C, it would actually probably work. Into native. Okay, let's see. Oh, wait. Why is this not here? Oh, it's because it's global. It also uses. No, it doesn't. Okay, let's go right there. Mtune. Yeah. Mtune dash Mtune native. Let's try that. Well, it's fast because it's small. There's, it's not like huge. Where's the? Oh, actually, yeah, well, the function is huge, but the language is not. This function is the main function that runs the most. Second, the first one is the expression. Okay, that is long. Wait, did I miss the? Oh, I missed the big. I missed this. Okay, here it is. It's just around. Oh no, no. Oh, there it is. So it's still very big. From 5. Oh, what? I don't have BC installed. Oh. Oops. Yes. 5521 minus. Oops. It's fine. We're just gonna take the absolute value of that. It should return the number of lines. 6181. 11. Okay. So it's 1000 lines long. It's 1000 lines long, which is. Oh, whoops. Forgot to do that. So yeah, let's try that now. It's done compiling. Make. It just. Oh, at least we're at. Oh. It's hanging on there. If we actually, like, decrease the number of food pellets. Okay, food num. If to 1000, that should actually speed up by a lot. Yep, there it is. So yeah, it works. Oh, by the way, I use like, oh, actually, yeah, vectorize won't work because, well, again, this happens. GCC can't really vectorize runtime code like this. It would vectorize the loops in here, but by -03, I think it already does that. Unroll loops also might not work because most of the loops here are dynamic. Depends on dynamic values. Although, what's MLVM? What poly M with? Oh, with Clang. Let's try that. Okay. So make CC6 Clang. Uh, hmm, hmm. Clang dash. Let's copy paste. Oh yeah, I forgot that we have that weird UTF-8. Oh, it did recognize it. Okay. I oh oh, it doesn't have the poly one. Oh yeah, then look. Fast is deprecated. What? So Clang doesn't have -03. I mean dash fast, -o fast now. Sad. We're gonna do it. It also doesn't have poly vectorizer option. MV5 doesn't. Where is that? What? MLVM. Yeah. Whoops, wrong button. There we go. But the others do exist. Oh, -LM. Yeah, that singular command is enough to compile MiLa, by the way. So that's why this makefile is actually just for convenience. Okay, does run. Initialize. Oops, make. I don't notice any difference, but if we do the earlier benchmark with 10,000, wait, 10,000? Yeah, 10,000. It's not faster. Yeah, it's because most of the overhead is in drawing the stuff. Whoops. There we go. Oh yeah, forgot the theme. There we go. So yeah, -03 of graphite. Why should like? I guess so. Yep. So MArch native should be there. MTune native though. I should. Let's see what this actually does. Let's ask Gemini. For your current CPU without. Okay, so March. March unlocks every instruction your current. Oh, okay. So MTune. Okay. Oh, I see. So March native is actually much more better. This is just for warnings though. That's cool. We use the C11 standard because apparently other standards don't have Sterling and stir copy, stir dupe. I mean stir dupe and stir. I don't know. I don't know why other standards don't have stir dupe by default. To the point that I have like my own mini string implementation. Where is it? Yeah. This is where the vectorization might happen though. Yeah, my own stuff. I see. Oh. Graphite activist probably heat. What? Eh? Huh? 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 What? Inside the compiler allows GCC to perform highly complex math-based transformations in nested loops. Oh, that's smart. That's smart. Loop tiling slash blocking, breaking a massive multidimensional loop down into tiny data tiles that fit directly. Okay. Oh, that's okay. So it's cache friendliness. Oh, that's cool. Advanced. Oh, wow. Unlike standard optimization-F, Graphite cannot function out of the box unless your GCC binary was explicitly built to support for the integer set library ISL. If your Linux distribution environment compiles GCC with ISL, passing Graphite will yield a warning or error stating that ISL framework is unavailable. I can't. What? Why aren't you? It's not. Okay. Wait. Can I do this? I forgot. Well, anyways, we're just gonna redirect it to the temp, and then we're gonna go cut temp into grep and check for ISL. No, it's nope. It doesn't have ISL. It just straight up doesn't even warn us. It's not even built for. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. For Clang though, does it work with Clang? It should fail with Clang because it doesn't. No, it does work with Clang. Wait, what? Oh. Okay, that's why. Cancel. That was annoying. Now yeah, it's finally gone. So, what? No? Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. By the way, MiLa doesn't depend anything outside glibc. As you can see, that's the only libraries that it depends on, the math library. And you'll also be wondering how it can have line editing and history. I made my own implementation for muscle. Oh yeah, it does compile with muscle, but let's oh, there we go. It does compile with. It does compile. Not even a single warning. Never mind. What? No, it did compile. It's an LD error. I'm missing some library. So it's not my fault, it's Muscle's fault that it did not find some library. Why? It back then it did compile. There's nothing. Eh? So not a file. I'm not. Thank you, but I am not. Weird. Not interested. Eh. Wow. Yeah, that's definitely what I'm looking for. Alright, so GCC 16 plus regression when doing static build shit. I'm not even doing a static build. What? Eh? Dash dash. No what's needed. That's weird. I never encountered that problem before. Even with the threading logic, that's WL dash WL dash no needed dash don't know as needed. Oh, it's okay. Atomic. Eh? Oh, now it also can't find atomic. What? What? That's weird. Okay. Okay. Wow. Wow. On. Yes. It's cool. Wow. That's very cool. Okay. What? Who cares? It's not even static. It's probably a markdown bug or something. It happens with ChatGPT too when it tries to like use markdown inside code snippet. It forgets to escape things. So like if it wants to say like this is a markdown markdown fence. Code fence was it? Code fence. And then it directly does that. So what happens is there's space here that isn't in either of this because this gets treated as separate code fences. So this is in neither code fence. Anyways, who cares? Oh yeah, we also have a web version. I hope it still works. Oh, I forgot I don't have EM scripting yet. I forgot that I wiped my... Oh, I have to build it. Ah, yes. Git clone space. HTTPS. Git... Oh my goodness, it's broken. Oh, Actually, yeah, it is. Wait, no. It's, I don't know why, but it should be. Just a second. Settings. Yeah, no, it's dark mode. The tab is. The tab itself. The tab itself is white, but everything else is dark. So if I. Yeah, I don't know why. I also have dark reader. So nice. Yeah. We're gonna go to CD. Well, I don't have randoms, right? CD randoms. Yeah, I have Kerbal Space Program. Git clone. There. Oh wait, I could have just used yay. Oh, it's fine. Okay. Okay. And how do I build this? What? I'm just gonna follow this one. CDMs, okay, get all. Oh, AMD is getting install. Oh, this is the part where it starts downloading random stuff. No. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's fine. Okay, fine. Yay! I'm just gonna, yeah. Yay! So I don't have to. And just gonna clean it up manually, like a madman, like a gardener pulling weed out of the ground. Eh? What? Oh, I have. Oh, wait, no, I did yay. Serious? I have to give it. I don't trust a Python tool with pseudo privileges. this this feels wrong. It's doing the same thing. It's fine. Oh, what? So, oh, yeah. I remember like running a command that had the text like be right back, and then I learned that this expands to the last command. It was annoying to figure that out by myself. So that should activate, was it? EMCC? No, it's still not. Ah, it's so it's here. Oh great, it doesn't give me anything. Bro, I should have just. It's it's easier this way. Where was I? So I don't. Okay, so CD. We have it there. So CD EMD SD EM SDK. Okay, there we go. And then we go EM SDK. Install latest. It does that. Okay, let's see. We wait for this to finish. I don't have any water nearby me. It's 10:30 p.m. I will try. You can fork the repo. Okay. Probably, yeah. Won't build. Oh, great. Where's the SH? Okay, so this source. Okay. Finally. No, whoops. Oh, no. Malloc. It's still Malloc under the Oh yeah, it's in MiLa H. So Malloc is just a wrapper around the pre-existing. Yeah. What? Where is it? In. It's not. Oh, that's fine. There we go. There's MiLa Malloc and MiLa Realloc and MiLa Free. They're still the same. What's the oxide? Is that your implementation? Anyways, make web. That's the problem. That's not mine. What does your Malloc do? Just what? Why won't it work? So what does your Malloc do while I? So that's because what? ML Web and MiLa.o can't because there's multiple ones. I don't have an overload ad.
Kaya ka lang matutulog.
Lola, sige na po. May ginagawa pa po ako eh.
Sana man lang matutulog. Matulog ka. Masyado matulog.
What should I do? Why would it be there? It's not my files. It's not even muted. Just hold on a second, So it turns out that I finally found a problem. So this is the problem. We just need to like wrong one. There we go. Oh, that's wrong. Oh, whoops. So first we need to copy this into here, and then now we do the first thing of just removing these. Do that. There we go. Should now do bis Einstellschleife. We already have this in Proto. This is no free. Oh, that's nice. Oh, because it's okay. So it also not swap space. I mean, yeah, that's cool. Freeze. Let's see. Overload to bool. But there is no to bool anymore. Oh, we need to define this as extern. Of course, why would it? It works. It works now. No warnings. No warnings. Yeah. Nah, just flip switches at this point. Anyways, yeah, it works now. Yeah, that's true. So now we can just go Firefox What.html? Oh no, index.html. MiLa in web, and if we just go to console. Oh no. Wow. I do. What? It's broken. Weird. Weird. It's broken. Oh, not. Oh, yeah, no, it is one. Why? Can I disable this? Thank you, Firefox. It's probably some update. It broke. The fuck. Oh, wait, we can just use. You can't outsmart me, Firefox. You cannot. You can't outsmart me. We have MiLa in the browser. We have MiLa. What's Ladybird? Anyways, yeah, it runs. It runs MiLa on a web server. Oh, speaking of running MiLa on a web server, I think my github.io actually has an example of maybe where's MiLa? There we go. Not MiLa. renrenhitorayo.github.io. I think I do have like, where is it? MiLa.js. So I do. What.html? Was it what.html? Just a second. I'm gonna check this. It is what.html. So now, welcome back. We can now go here. What? And the answer of life is 42. And I can go here from GitHub, by the way. Put it in 90. From GitHub servers, by the way, not just some random server. Medium is independent browser, 600. Oh, that's cool. Everything written and fully independent. Oh, that's cool. Now I want to write my own browser using MiLa as a scripting language. It could work. We do have HTTP support, but not HTTPS because HTTP is bloated. Oh, that's sad. That's sad. My own programming language. Oh, there's more people. There's more people now. How many people are there? Oh, there was 10 at some point. That's cool. This was probably when I was messing around with Pipeware or something. No, this was just earlier. This was around the point when the shenanigans happened. Welcome. Oh, I see. So, we do have HTTP support. I think we do have, like, an example here. Or, we don't have an example for HTTP. Rule overloads, nope, yep, nope. Oh, here it is, add-on test. Let me close the other ones. Wrong one. So we have this. Who cares, even if you know my... Yep, I'm building my own language, so we can go here. Make release e flags is equal to dash t ext underscore http. It's we don't have import statements, and because we run the file. We don't use special syntax because that's what importing does in most languages anyway, so we just do that. And yes, it does handle like relative files. It's just files, so you can put your path in here and it would be fine. And you can also invoke files, so it's run like it was run from the CLI. But yeah, we also have load, which loads because most programming languages are broken in my own view, so I made my own. So there's that. Whoops, wrong one. This one. Close that one. Here. Run. Loads. Yeah. Terry Davis. True. So now we can go here. MiLa. Example. Add-on test. There. Oh. Oh. Whoops. Forgot that line. That should not. Yep, there it is. So yes, that is my IP address. So yeah, we have our own HTTP, and that one flag is all it took. So it's my own implementation. So where is it? It's in add-on. Oh, there it is. How did I forget? And yeah, here it is. Yay! This did not totally take me like long to fix the memory leaks in here. And yeah, it does. Now, that's interesting. We do have support for string operations, most string operations, and I'm actually like considering like turning MiLa into a state, like having like MiLa have first class support for parsing text. So like you could basically just go parser, my parser, and then go like rule here, ID, and then sim like ID and stuff. Yeah, I saw TCC. It's very tiny, but I did see. Did you see that coding video CBCC? CBCC. It's like smaller. It's it's way like what? You're gonna be surprised on how small it is. Where is the let's see here. So let's scroll down to the very bottom, and it's around 3,000 lines. So yeah. if I think TCC is much more bigger because it started adding new features, but since GBCC is restricted itself to C11, the C11 standard, it won't get bigger than this probably, and I think it does. It can compile MiLa. I think the only problem is I don't think it has optimization as good as GCC or TinyCC. So yeah, but there is a stream where Choding modified this to like add lambdas. Alright, let's try that. Let's try and compile. Oh wait, did I start this? I should start this. it like, okay, so we just, it's done. It's done compiling. We have GBCC now. It's done compiling. There it is. So if I just like temporarily set my path, imagine I mess this up, it doesn't expand, so randoms GBCC. So now we have GBCC. Okay, now we can go make CC equal to GBCC. Oh no. That's a problem. It what are you complaining about? GBC, no such file directory. What? It's make that again. CC is equal to GBCC. Oh no. What? Do I have to pass in? Oops. It has flags, but it ignores some of them, so it still runs. Huh? 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 We've been getting like inconsistent error messages, by the way. Let's move GBCC to the local directory. Maybe that would work. Hello GBCC, welcome to MiLa. Oh no, it doesn't know where STD. Oh my goodness. Was it user share include? No, user includes. Ah, whoops. What did I mean, is this where? Okay. So I have to dash I slash user slash includes. Whoops. That is the same. Yeah. But I did compile like a hello world in here, so it's not useless. I think it's oh. Where is me? Let's see. So this is the flags that it supports. Oh. Still doesn't work. Ah, I see. Wait, no, it does add that there, so that's still gonna work. Right? Oh, this won't work at all. Yeah. I remember like Choding fixing this because it didn't support his distro. ls/user include. I don't even have what this is saying. If I grep arch, maybe. Nope. Linux. Nope. Nothing else. It doesn't work. Why? It does have user include here, so it should have worked already. Then it what? Code make file. Parse args. So okay, let's see. So it does dash. Oh yeah, it does. Okay. Okay. Oh, it does dash e. That's cool. Okay. 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 Dash I. Where is dash I? I don't see dash I in here. Oh, there it is. So it should have added the path. Son, what? It can't find the standard definition of integers. Why? What won't you find? Anyways, yeah. Let's stop now. I think it won't work. Oh, I guess. But what's the fun in that? I can. Okay, sure. I already. It's fine. I can just use that. User/include std.def.h. And here. What? Oh, it's not here. It's not in here. It's in a different. Son, what? How do you do? Ah, nah. I forgot how to use find. What? It's not in here. There's end curses. What was it? Standards std. It's not in here. I literally don't have standard def in this directory. Whoops. Let's see. Include Linux. Okay. Oh, okay. Found it. Thanks. And it should be chibi. Oh, I moved it, so I have to rebuild it again. Great. So we're gonna go to GBCC, make, boom, go back to MiLa, bam. Oh, we have to temporarily remove that restriction. Yeah, this one. Let's. No. It doesn't support int 128. It doesn't support int 128. So close. Also, I did not specify what this was. It just got included as that. But yeah. Oh! Now it supports. Okay. Uh, but size T is not. I wanna scream. It doesn't recognize size T. Don't. No. Where was this developed? I hope that this was developed because if it's the Windows line break shenanigans messing with this, does it even handle the? I don't know. Maybe I will. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe I will. Seek transpiler? See to MiLa transpiler? When? Maybe. Who knows? But yeah. I guess we're stuck with Clang and Muscle GCC. Oh, right. Forgot to remove that. Make file. Where's the make file? Make file. There it is. Then I did okay, make file. It's graphite and okay, we need to remove this. Pop, bye bye. LCC? What? Oh yeah, I forgot that there's an LCC. I may have to go. Oh yeah, this one. It's the next best thing to TCC. Oh yeah, I have to go. Forgot the time. I have to go. Maybe next stream I will try LCC. Let's check. Let's check. Let's check this.
Hindi ako naman pwede na. Pwede ko yan. Alas 11 na pang mama.